Hi, my name is Avery Campbell, and this is my informative speech for LCC Online Speech. What a crazy time we're living in. A highly infectious virus has taken over the world and flipped it upside down. We have no guarantees of a prom, a graduation, or even a fun-filled summer. On March 30th, Kansas went into a statewide lockdown to prevent the widespread of coronavirus. During this time, we have to avoid all non-essential trips and practice social distancing to flatten the curve. Flattening the curve means prolonging infection to avoid healthcare shortages and reduce the devastation of this disease. My dream job has been an epidemiologist. Ever since the Ebola virus outbreak in 2014, I've been fascinated with public health and epidemiology. Whenever coronavirus came about, I was very intrigued. I've spent a lot of time researching the virus and how disastrous it can be if it becomes widespread. I am a huge advocate for social distancing to prevent this disease from ravaging the country. Social distancing is a method to prevent the spread of a disease. Today I will tell you what social distancing is, how to effectively distance yourself, the benefits of social distancing, and things to do while social distancing. Like I previously said, social distancing is a method of separation used to curb and prevent the spread of a disease. The first step to social distancing is to stop going on non-essential trips. According to Fox 2, essential activities are activities or tasks essential to an individual's health or safety or the health and safety of their family or household members. This means one can go get gas, go to the doctor, go grocery shopping, get supplies related to working from home, exercise, take care of family members, or pick up takeout food. The second step is to wear a mask and keep a 6-foot distance when out and about. According to Sedgwick County, social distancing requirements means maintaining at least 6 feet of social distancing from other individuals, washing hands with soap or water for at least 20 seconds and as frequently as possible, or using hand sanitizer, covering coughs and sneezes into the sleeve or elbow, not the hands, regularly cleaning high-touch surfaces, and not shaking hands. The CDC also recommends wearing a cloth face covering when out and about in a public area or in places whenever social distancing measures cannot be easily maintained. You can sew one like I have done, or you can even make one out of a bandana and 2 hair ties, as long as it's covering your nose and your mouth to prevent droplets from getting into your body. The CDC also said that individuals should avoid wearing a medical grade mask due to shortages. We have an N95 mask right here because of my dad's job, but normal people just going to the grocery store probably don't need to be wearing this because they're in shortage and they should be left to health professionals and essential workers. The benefits of social distancing is that it keeps high-risk people safe. The elderly, pregnant women, and people with compromised immune systems are the most susceptible to the coronavirus. Staying at home helps keep the virus away from them and helps keep them safe. It prevents asymptomatic people from unknowingly spreading the virus because you cannot be showing any symptoms whenever you just get it, or you can even have coronavirus and never show any symptoms at all. The infection rate of coronavirus is, if you have it, if you go out in public, you will infect 3 more people, and that's why it has spread across the entire country, because it's so highly infectious and it is a respiratory disease, and so it's really easy to get and it can hurt a lot of people. So another reason to social distance is that it reduces the curve. It reduces the rate of transmission, like I just said, and by reducing the curve, we are delaying the infection and even stopping it in some cases, which can help hospitals not be so overwhelmed and help them provide quality medical care to everyone. This means they have enough PPEs, ICU beds, quarantine rooms that they put those people in. They have enough ventilators, and we don't run into the same problems in America that they are in Italy and they were in China because they were going out and about and not using these safety measures, and the hospitals got overran with patients, and they didn't even have enough doctors in some cases, and they were having to bring some over from America and Cuba to even have enough doctors to treat these people. So while we are social distancing, it's important that you create a routine. According to CNBC, you should, quote, change out of your pajamas, shower, and make a to-do list of all the things you want to achieve each day to create a sense of normality and productivity. This is easy whenever you are having online school or you're doing work online because you automatically have a schedule, and you do have to get up and you have to brush your teeth and brush your hair and you have to look presentable from about here up. That being said, you don't really have to change out of your sweatpants if you don't want to, but they said it can help create a sense of normality. You should also avoid excess media consumption. It can help someone not feel so overwhelmed. And this is the news, this is social media, this is TV, because sometimes they are feeding you unreliable information and they are catering to your sense or to your anxiety about this whole situation and your fear, and just consuming that media day in and day out can produce anxiety and depression. And it's important during this time to keep your spirits high because it can help you not feel so overwhelmed. It can make this entire process easier. Another thing you should do is exercise and eat healthy. According to CNBC again, you should eat healthily, get plenty of sleep, and exercise daily. That could include conducting indoor workout classes, stretching, and practicing meditation. This can help keep mental health up and reduce the feelings of anxiety and depression. This can also increase your immune system. So, stay home, eat some oranges, work out. You should also fight boredom by having fun activities like baking, watching TV, completing a puzzle, a board game, reading a book, exploring activities, and projects that you've been putting off. You can also use this time to connect with family and friends. In short, social distancing is a measure taken by individuals to prevent the spread of a disease. There are many steps that one has to take in order to effectively social distance, like staying 6 feet apart at all times, washing your hands, and wearing a mask, and not taking any non-essential outings. Another big part of this is just staying at home because you are not transmitting it. While you're being stuck at home, fight boredom and create a routine. Although this pandemic is not going to last forever, it's up to us to practice effective social distancing to reduce the spread of the disease and protect at-risk people, and most importantly, get back to normal as soon as possible.